Hey there, I'm Isabella from Etsy's Community Education team, and today we'll be walking through best practices for optimizing your listings for advertising. Whether you're using Etsy ads to get your products in front of shoppers searching on Etsy, or you're using our offsite ad service to reach shoppers looking for items like yours across the web, advertising is an effective and an affordable way to get the word out and find new customers. So, let's get started making your listings ready for their moment in the spotlight. First, keep your titles short and sweet. Brief and clear listing titles tend to work better than a long, confusing jumble of keywords. They help shoppers understand exactly what it is you're selling. Make sure your title is succinct, ideally 40 characters or less, to avoid being cut off when shown in offsite Google product listing ads. You'll also want to lead with your most relevant keywords. For example, women's floral blouse, comma, red silk shirt is much clearer than women's blouse, comma, red blouse, comma, floral blouse, silk blouse, women's clothing, girlfriend gift, red shirt. These additional phrases can actually go in your tags instead. And a bonus tip, avoid using all uppercase letters in your titles. Watch out for watermarks and distractions. When it comes to your photos, make sure your product is the star, not your logo. So why is this important? Most advertising platforms don't actually allow watermarks or other promotional text on images. We also recommend avoiding cluttered backgrounds or added borders that can distract shoppers from the item itself. Just keep your images clean and simple. Describe your items accurately. Make sure your title and thumbnail photo accurately describe the item you're selling, including the variations you offer. Shoppers who are searching for a specific item will be disappointed if they click on your ad and discover the item for sale doesn't match their expectations. They likely won't complete the purchase, and if the ad is a part of a cost per click campaign like Etsy ads, you'll be wasting your money from your budget, missing out on customers who are actually more likely to purchase your items. Advertising will bring more visitors to your shop, but once they're there, it's up to your listings to help you get those sales. To increase your chances of turning those views into sales, ask yourself these 4 questions. Is my price competitive? Is it clear what shoppers are buying? Is the shipping price reasonable? Is it clear when the item will arrive? By making these small improvements to your listings and letting them do the selling for you, you'll get the most out of your ad budget and give yourself more time to focus on other aspects of running your shop. For more tips on optimizing your listings for advertising, check out the resources in this video's description. Thanks for watching.